Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and in this video we're looking at the SkyQuest XT8 Classic Dobsonian telescope. It's an 8-inch reflector on a Dobsonian base, and Dobsonian just refers to the style of the base, left and right, up and down. Very simple movements, very easy for beginners to use, very simple setup, no complicated polar lining necessary. It's just a great telescope for the family or for the beginner that just wants a really nice view of pretty much everything that's out there in the night sky. 8 inches is big enough to see all sorts of detail. Not only the moon and planets, you've got a lot of light grasp, so deep sky objects, nebulae, galaxies, star clusters, they're all within the reach of an 8-inch telescope. It always helps if you get away from the light pollution of a big city, but there are thousands of objects available in the night sky that are within reach of a telescope like this. It comes with a couple of accessories. It's a 2-inch Crayford focuser. It comes with one eyepiece, a 25mm Plausible, and a zero-power finder scope to help aim the telescope. The focuser is my favorite part. It's 2 inches, so you can add on 2-inch eyepieces to get a very wide field of view, great for those really big deep sky objects. So anyways, the Orion SkyQuest XT8 Classic. Thank you very much. Clear skies.